What's poppin', motherfuckers? We're back with another trading recap on NQ. It was a break-even trade today. It happens. I didn't trade yesterday because of FOMC, and it was too much chop. So stay away from that shit. It ain't no good. So, let's get into this trading recap. Why don't we, eh? How you doing? First, 4 hour. Not really much buy-side liquidity that I could find. So, I dropped down to the 1 hour. Oh, well, looky here. What do we see here? What do we see? So, I marked out the sell-side liquidity right here. Mark that out. We also have a 1 hour imbalance, aka bullish for value gap. But this is also a 15-minute imbalance. So, double confluence right there. It's strong. Not the strongest. You know, you just gotta, you look at it like that. Put all the probabilities in your way. But, you know, we ended up getting stopped out. But, so now, still nothing crazy. I mean, we have these highs right here, but really before market opened, these swept it, so I didn't count them. So then I dropped down to the 15-minute, and right here we have some 15-minute highs, which got taken out at open at 9:30. So after that, this also formed too. This is my TP1, take profit 1, sell side liquidity right here. So now I'm going to go down into the entries, 1 minute. And now this is where you start to see the model, the setup, everything is coming together. So, first, sell side liquidity was swept. I then marked these also. These got swept. So now we have two buy side liquidities was pretty much swept, right? So this tiny one was swept right here. I didn't do anything on it because you got to wait for a pullback. So then we ended up sweeping these again. And this also just wasn't a strong enough sweep for me to be intrigued. So I wait for another pullback, which we have a sweep here, and this formed an SMT. That's another confluence. So now we're coming down. We broke structure to the downside, which I'm going off of the up candle and down candle. We broke, created a bearish for a value gap. We then pulled back into it to fill it, came back down. The reason I never entered on this is because we have all of this bullish confirmation. This is a bullish for a value gap. This is a bullish for a value gap. This is a bullish for value gap. I wanted to wait till all these got broken so I knew we were going to continue lower. So, right here, it got broken, came back up into this inverse for a value gap. This is where I entered. I probably didn't get that precise of a fucking entry, obviously. It's probably like, I probably entered like right here maybe. Something like that, who knows. But in this fucking fair value gap I entered. Right away, looking good, came down, TP1 hit. Sold half my sold 1% of my position. So now this is a risk-free trade. So now after that, I pull my stops all the way down to break even. And literally right when this got hit, we touched this this imbalance, which was the 15-minute bullish for value gap. Used it as support, and we just came right back up. And I ended up getting stopped out. Break-even trade. What are you gonna do? It happens. That was that trade though. I mean, honestly, great trade. It was a good trade. Just fucking, I mean, it happens. You get break-even trade, whatever. It fucking happens. Who gives a shit? But how about fucking ES is trading above all-time highs, which we also had rate cuts yesterday, which we haven't had rate cuts since 4 years. So that's pretty crazy. But right here is all-time highs up here. And we're fucking trading above them, boys. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Just broke all-time highs on ES. Bitcoin, 60 fucking 4K almost, buddy. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Looking great. Theta, I got a lot of Theta, bro. I'm waiting for all of this buy-side liquidity to get swept. And even up here, bro. $3, but wait, there's more. There's more. Look at this fucking structure, dude. Theta has been all the way up to fucking like $15, $16 it's been up to. Dude, you could 16 times your money. 16x. I'm just telling ya. I'm just saying. Theta is a gaming platform coin. It's like streaming. The CEO of YouTube and Twitch are both in on this coin. They are the founders of Theta. What do you think is going to happen when GTA 6 comes out and everybody starts streaming their shit? It's just a little, who knows? But it's something to think about. My bags are packed in Theta. That's a little gem for you guys. Look into Theta. Let me know. Don't actually let me know. I let you know. Buy the fucking asset. Literally a whole bunch. My main, all of my capital is in crypto right now, pretty much. I'm not even kidding. Why would I have it in the bank? The fuck does a bank do? Anyways, that's it for the fucking video. Breakeven trade. Got my ass. Fuck you, NQ. I'm gonna get you tomorrow. If there's an opportunity that presents itself, obviously. Duh. I mean, this could even have been, honestly, like a fucking little 1-to-1. But, like, you don't know it's gonna fucking reverse right here at this exact point. I mean, like, look how precise this is. Right off the end balance. So, like, I'm thinking the end balance will fill, which it usually does. That's a perfect 1-to-2. Then you move your fucking stops down to break even. Came up. Oh, I got broke even, whatever. I risked 1%. I made 1%. I didn't make anything, but I didn't lose anything either. That's it for the video. It's a good one, quick one. Have a fucking great day, boys. Go touch some grass, and as always, happy trading.